Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In the last lecture, we looked at the SolidWorks 2014 interface and the menu and options available. Today, we are going to learn about sketches and their relation with planes. So, select New, and since we want to create, go to Parts, then OK. Now, this is our interface. Next, we will see, what is a sketch? A sketch is the drawing we need in order to make a part. For this, we have to take 2D tools and draw it. But, before that, see, these are the planes. Front plane, top plane, right plane. Before sketching, you have to select one plane. Either the front plane, the top plane, or the right plane. And, this is the origin point, 0, 0, point in our coordinates. So, a small option, that is for sketch. You can select a sketch here directly or you can select sketch from the sketch menu. So, select a sketch. Now, our front plane is selected. So, whatever drawing you are going to sketch, will appear in the front plane. These are our menu, toolbars, dimension, line, rectangle, circle, ellipse, fillet, hexagon, polygon, shape, text. And then, trim entities, convert, offset, mirror, linear sketch pattern. Then, delete or display relation. Then there are normal, isometric views. All of them are tools for creating a sketch. So let's sketch one small thing, and see how it's done. These are the line diagrams. Lines and center lines. So basically, we are using center lines to draw any lines. Now, you can draw a line from any part of the plane. So select, origin of the plane. And then you can take the cursor to any direction to want. If you take this to the horizontal position. Look. It is showing a horizontal mark in yellow color. Now, if you will go to the upper side, it will show vertical direction in yellow color. That means our line is in vertical position. If we move a little ahead or any other place, this mark will not show. This is called relation. Now let's say you want to exit from the line. You can just simply press the escape button or right-click. And select, or line. You can select any of the two. Let's select line and our exit from this. Again, choose line and draw a line. Right-click and select. Now, we have exited again. Look at these relations that are showing at every point. This one is showing vertical. Again vertical. And this one is showing coincident. This means two entities are coincident to each other. They will not. The same relation appear on the origin point. If you will move this part, see, it will move along with this line only. It won't not go beyond, but if you delete this relation. Just select this relation and delete it. Now, see, you are free to move it anywhere. Can you see? Now, let's fix it back to the baseline. Now, it is showing the relation again. So, these are a few relations. There are many more such relations. We will learn about each and every relations in our upcoming lectures. So, in the next lecture, we will see how to use more line tools and their relationships. This is centerline, so, a centerline is a construction line. If you right-click and press Select, you will exit from the center line. Let's understand, this is construction line. It won't actually appear in your sketch. But it will act a guideline whenever you want to make a hole or any other feature. We use a construction line for a reference or for locating coordinates, that's it. Thanks for watching this lecture.